Hi, my name is Kim. I'm 626 Ohana, California. And today we are going to talk about Walt's Life subscription box. I decided to try another subscription box and see how this went. This is the Kingdom box, which was $79. The one thing, I by accident by them ordered an extra box, just a quick I was too fast with my mouse and clicked on it, and they had a chat option. It was late at night and they were really great because by the time I woke up the next morning, I already had an email saying no problem, we'll refund your money. So that was great customer service. The one thing with the box is they said that it takes 1 to 3 days to ship, and so it kind of feels like maybe they just kind of pull it off of a rack for that age group because you can't personalize like some of the other boxes you can. So I'm excited to try something different. I looked at a few other videos for Walt's Life unboxing. It seems like if this is like other boxes and they really grab it off the shelf, then I predict there's a mug in here, some pins. Okay, maybe even a puzzle that you take apart and color yourself as an adult. I don't know, but if they really are off the shelf, that's kind of the idea of what this is. So let's see, and some jelly beans. So let's see if it really is off the shelf or not. The first thing I noticed when I got the box is the size. So for a $79 box, I'm a little weary about the size. So let's get into it. Let's find some magic. I like it says magic inside. Try not to ruin the box. I like that this company does have the shrink wrap on it to protect it. I like surprises. I like subscription boxes. I do some other subscription boxes that have nothing to do with Disney that I get monthly. So I like surprise boxes. All right, I'm just gonna get that out of the way. Pick that up later. Okay, so cute when you lift up the flap. It says, "Let your dreams begin." I like that. Cute box. All right. So inside, the first thing I see when I open it is it's all about you. Enter to win an awesome trip. So snap a picture with your box, post it on Instagram, Facebook, and you will win, possibly for random winners. So that's cute. I like that they try to have good customer service. All right, so I'm not gonna look down. I'm gonna try to just grab something. I feel something. Okay. Okay, so I have seen different kinds in different boxes of unboxing. It's an umbrella. A little picture of a little Mickey color wheel. I like that because when we're in Florida it rains and we can always use umbrellas in Florida. So very cute. I can never have enough umbrellas for Walt Disney World. I feel something. Okay. A key ring with the Fab 5. That'll get used. All right. I'm feeling something. Shot glass. Got some little. Okay, it's got the Fab 5 and it says Florida on it. That's cute. A lot of people collect shot glasses. I like it. I feel something big. Oh, an Ursula highlighter palette. Okay, so I want to get into this, and it's a pop. Okay, so this is a little different than some of the things we've gotten. Ursula's pretty. Okay, I'm gonna have to pick that up later. Okay, it's a nice little case. All right, let's see how Ursula opens. Oh, okay. Ooh, so it says villains with a mirror. It's pretty colors. So Vixen is this top. This is called Vixen. And Unfortunate Souls. Okay, I like these names. Tough Choices and Body Language. Ooh, definitely an Ursula themed name. I like it. All right, I'll use my highlighter kit. That's definitely usable. I like to see that in a box. Very cute. A little big for the parks, but it's only a highlighter. Okay, so we got some jewelry. I am not a big jewelry fan, but let's see if I can untangle this a bit. Oh, okay. This has got like a Kingdom to the Hearts necklace. And it's got some little earrings. Okay. Interesting. All right, it's a 2020. Oh, okay, so it's got a little tag here, but it's got like a little, maybe like an espresso mug. It's got the Fab Five. This definitely has a lot of Fab Five in it, which is cute. I like that. I like the Mickey theme. I probably would never got myself an espresso cup, but this is really cute. I like the miniature size. Let's see if there's anything else at the bottom. Okay, yeah, there's something else in here. Ah, the fairest of them all, a bookmark. A Walt Life, an exclusive Disney fan club. That's cute, because sometimes I still read books that are paper and not all digital, so that's a great thing to have. All right. Ooh, we are going to surprise 3 different nurses, doctors who are working in the front line fighting against COVID-19 with a magical Walt Life box. Nominate someone on the back of this card and post to our social. Stay safe, Walt Life family. Oh, very cute. And it looks like that box is adorable. I only know about this because they have a little game board that you can spell out Walt's Life and win a trip for 2 to Disney World. So that is cute. I don't know where you get the game board. It's a game. Oh, here we go. It's in here. It says Walt's Treasures game is on the back. Okay. So if you collect Walt, you win a Zoom Zoom. If you collect Life, you win a Disney mini beanbag plush. Collect Walt Life, win a official Walt Disney Parks item. Collect Walt's Life without any wilds and win a trip for 2 to Disney World. Ooh, that's nice. I don't see... The one thing I don't see is what is the value of this box. So Walt's Life, I like the items. They're definitely... I'm gonna use the palette for sure. And the one thing I looked for a moment real quick at the umbrella, and there's a price tag of $12 on it. I actually would have thought it would have been a little bit more. Nothing else has a price tag, and I didn't get a packing slip telling me what the value of everything is. And looking at this, it's like an off-brand. It says Terry Lee Orlando, so that came from a different shop. I'm still thinking this is an off. Yeah, this is from the same Terry Lee. So I'm thinking what happened is some of these are coming from gift shops around, would be my guess.
So it's a keychain.
And so is a keychain. This is obviously a pop item, and this is really nice. I'm sure this is actually the big ticket item, would be my thought, because it's pop. And it's really cute, and I like it. I like the items in the box. I'm happy with them. But I don't know if I'd pay $79 again for them. That would be my final thought on it. So Walt's Life, great experiment, great to look at, but I'm going to pass in the future for sure. I'll try another box again because I definitely want to find one that I'm happy with because we love Disney. So I might still be in the running for Bibbidi Box. I don't know. I was kind of on the fence on that one a little bit, and with some more choices or maybe a little bit more different feeling on them. But Walt's Life, I think this is my one and only. That's my final thought on it. It's not a bad box, but I really have a feeling the value's just not there for it. So, all right. Good customer service. They have a lot of cute little things, so that's that. The one thing I noticed that I didn't get from a box I've seen in other boxes was like a little postcard saying with a picture of Disney princess or telling you who packs all this. I didn't get that in this box, and I don't know. So that felt a little strange compared to other boxes. I've pretty much seen it in every other Walt box unboxing. So that was a little surprising. But like I said, one and done. But I'm not upset I got it. I'm not by any means. I just don't think the value that the $79 is there. So please like, subscribe, and follow along with our Ohana. We'll always give you our honest opinion on things. And it's time to say goodbye and find your magic.